Hey Sam, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting this custom video and helping me to get it over to Eric as well. So today we're going to go over a few things that you guys can apply right away to get more organic traffic and more of those organic leads. Important thing to note is that 70% of all organic traffic stems from your website. So it is very, very important that your website be fully optimized so that Google can put you in front of your customers when they're searching for you. So as you can see, we're on your website. First thing I notice is your website is secure, so that's perfect. That's exactly what you need. Okay, looks like a fairly basic website. Okay, so you have separate pages for each service, which is perfect, exactly what you need. Let's see. I have a little bit of content on the home page, but I'm not seeing any local buyer intent keyword usage. Okay. All right. So, Google does not rank a website based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages, looking for content and keywords to index you for. So they can rank you for those keywords and then put you in front of your customers. So Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage here, focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the local keywords that people in your service area are searching for the services that they need. They may not know the name of the company, but they know the service that they need, and that's what they're going to be searching. And realistically, in an emergency situation, they're probably not going to care what the name of your company is. They're just going to want whoever can get to them first. So it is going to be very important to optimize your website and your pages to make sure you have the right amount of content and that you're going after those keywords. And you always need to have more than your top competitors, so you need more content than they do. So if they have 1,500 words of content, you're going to need more. Now, looking at, hold on one second here. Sorry, everything shifted on me real quick. So, okay, so looking at your top competitor in St. Louis, you have St. Louis Cleaning and Restoration, and they don't have a great site. But they do have the basics, and they have the separate pages for every one of their services. They have the buyer intent keywords, although here these are more national keywords. You want to have local keywords. They have content. You can see some more of those local keywords. So in order to beat these guys, the first thing you would need to have is more content, and you would need to focus on those buyer intent keywords. These guys are missing the boat on service area pages. As I mentioned before, if you service multiple areas, you do need a separate page for every service area that you service so that you can be found in those service areas. And all pages need to have their own unique content. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a 0 rating in Google's Trust Flow. And that is 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. You just really don't have any. And you're going to need a lot of backlinks. You need more than your top competitors. And not all backlinks are created equal. So you need more backlinks and better quality backlinks. Because you don't have much content, you've only been indexed for one keyword and you're seeing 0 traffic on average per month. But if we take a look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 16 with over 700 backlinks. So you need more backlinks, but also better quality backlinks to outrank these guys. And the same goes for all your competitors in every service area. Now, these guys have been indexed for over 400 keywords, and they're getting over 303 people on average to their website per month. So this just kind of shows you the amount of volume you're really missing out on. And there's actually quite a bit more volume in your service area. So optimizing your website is going to really help with that organic traffic. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is that is linking to your website, the more authority and power it's going to give you. And if they do follow backlinks, they will actually share the power of the high-ranking sites with you and help you to boost up faster. And then important to note is that these backlinks need to be tied to your keywords so that you can rank for those keywords and be found for each of the services in your service areas. And then the last thing to mention is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and relevant keywords, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed here, you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. So now in order to get here and maintain this spot, there's several factors, but the most important is something called citations, which is the name of your business and address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, etc. And so you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these steps I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google in your service area for your local keywords and service area keywords. We hope that you have found this video to be very helpful and that you'll be able to use it going forward, and would love your feedback. But if you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.